Hey guys, I'm Josh Oakes, and in Parent University, I walk you through Snapchat. That's the app we're looking at right now on the screen. I deep dive for 15 minutes into all the dangerous areas so that you're ahead of your kids. Now, if your kids don't have this app, now is the time to learn about it. If your kids do have this app, now is the time to learn about it, because there are dangerous parts, whether they have it now or whether they have it later. They're going to get access to it even if you don't want them to. There are ways that kids get access to these apps. So I want to teach it to you. I want to show you the bottom left section where disappearing content happens. I want to show you how some students will actually save content and why they save content. I'll show you a hidden feature that students are using. I'm going to show you how they're creating content, taking pictures and videos and everything else. I also want to teach you the most dangerous part. I want to teach you the right-hand side that is full of news and people marketing to your kids. There's a ton of sex in here. There's a ton of inappropriate adult-like content that's really suitable for college students. And I want to show you exactly how you can't stop it if your kids are in there. I'm going to show you all kinds of it. We read through it. And also, this is what's so powerful. I want to teach you the most dangerous part of Snapchat. Do you know what the Snap Map is? I want to teach you what the Snap Map is, where it shows you where your kids' friends are at. Watch this. I teach you exactly how to find out where your kids are at on the map. It's scary. You can see other people down there. I want to teach all this to you. I want you to commit to protecting your family. I've spent hundreds of hours learning these apps. I can teach them to you for a very low rate every month. I want you to join Team Josh, and I want to protect your family. If you're a school district and you want to buy 1,000 passes for this, we'll protect your whole community. I want to take our knowledge base here at the laboratory for digital safety, how to be smart on social media, how to be light, bright, and polite, and I want to deep dive with you quickly in a fun way. I want to show you the bad side of the internet and the good side of the internet. That's what we're here to do. I walk people through what the hot spots are, how this app works. Please join, please consider. You get a couple weeks free, I think, at the time of this video, and we will make sure that you are the most protected family on the block. I'm Josh Oakes. I'm so honored you'd watch this video to help commit to keeping your kids safe, your community safe, your school safe. Let's do this together. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. As always, keep it light, bright, and polite. Take care.